Dog, one of the stars of the Mrs. McVeigh's Magnificent Manners show. I know you have been anxiously waiting for my next manners tip. Ashton the Dog's manners tip of the day is about entertaining. When you have company, never serve food in its original container. Always put it on a serving bowl or a serving plate. Is that clear, Dax the Dog? Serving bones out of the box is not good manners. And that is Ashton's manners tip of the day.